So here is my new. Come on. The new Kindle Paperwhite. What's in the box? It's empty. Just keep it aside. Oh shit! Sorry. So here is this. What it looks like. Kindle Paperwhite power on in different languages. We'll just leave it. Just open it and see, because you can't read all the languages, you see. And then what we have in the box. That's a good. Now I have another Type-C charger. That's good for me. And then what we have. Okay, so a user manual, like how you're supposed to use it. Okay, so that's it. Then let's power on. So this is the new Kindle's home screen. Let's see how it goes.